Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jacqueline from Balance Group. Welcome to Shanghai Balance Group live streaming. At this horrible time when the whole people are fighting for COVID-19, many customers are still enthusiastic. Your need are our motivation and the biggest purpose of our company. It's a little bit special topic today. This video will give you an immersive experience of our all-in-one surface store. One-stop service, all in balance. All products used in the store are produced by the Balance Group. All series of automotive workshop equipment you can find here. Hope you can enjoy this. Now, let's get started.
Hello.
Thank you. Welcome to the one-stop service shop of Balance Group Auto Repair. I'm your automotive secretary. Please follow my direction to help you better enjoy the service. We have ready checked your package for you today. You can enjoy our full set of VIP special car maintenance package this time. Your car's maintenance package has officially started. Now you can freely visit the whole automotive maintenance process with me.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
In the first step, we will lift your car to a height of 16 centimeters or 100 centimeters. Then we can quickly check the tire problem or change the broken tires. The feature meets the satisfaction of the common needs of every workshop, especially when the season changes. It's the prestigium of workshop for the tire changing business.
Nice job, thank you.
You're welcome. In the second step, we will lift your car to a height of 1.8 meters to do some preliminary maintenance in response to the diversity of customers' needs. In addition to tire inspection and replacement, we are also equipped a high-position, small scissor lift or two-post lift to meet more customers' needs, such as automobile maintenance, engine maintenance, oil changing, gearbox maintenance, and gearbox oil changing, maintenance of brake system, brake oil changing, and so on.
Then what's the next?
The next step is the tire repair and dynamic balancing process. Don't worry about the tire you disassemble. They will be transferred to the tire changer and wheel balancer for the next repair operations and dynamic balancing operations. We will use the tire changer to remove your tire, then carrying out tire repair surface and dynamic balancing operations.
Sounds good. What's the special of them?
We prepare our pair of combination tire changer and wheel balancer to use together. They can help to quickly solve all kinds of flat tire of sport car and racing car problem.
Wow, that's amazing.
After the repair of your tire part is complete, now we are coming to the fourth step. We have the big scissor lift to align the four-wheel for you so that your car can be back to the top position. Then you can drive more safely.
Wow, how large is it?
Yes, the big scissor lift right here is CE certificate lift. For the safety point, it has safely descending stop and height limit switch. No perform calibration is needed at any time. And also, we can ensure that the widespread measurement can be finished in a shorter time.
Thank you.
See you next time.